expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise.
So sometimes you come home and you're hungry and you don't know what to eat, and you got family at home just starving, and then you think of, let me just use the leftovers, but you don't really want leftovers. But today, guess what? We're going to utilize our leftovers. So we got some Southwestern chicken that we have left over that was graciously given to us by a friend. And we have some cheese, sour cream, and all this good stuff. And we're going to just whip this up real quick together. It's really simple, and I just thought of it off the top of my head. So we have sour cream, 8 ounces of sour cream. We have cream cheese, 8 ounces as well. And then we have a little bit of chive cream cheese. We're just going to throw that in there anyway because it's all leftover. Trying to just utilize our leftovers. Alright? And then we're just going to season, salt, and pepper. And some spices. This is an onion and garlic spice that we use in a lot of our videos. Alright? And we'll take this and whip it up together. And I'm going to add a little bit of milk just to thin it out a bit, because when we add the cheese, it's going to go ahead and thicken it up as it bakes in the oven. I want to just get it loosely. Whoops. And just mix it till it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add a Southwestern chicken. Fold all this yummy goodness into the bowl. And this Southwestern chicken has beans, chicken, corn, some rice. It was really good. And now we're going to add our leftover cheese. We have just a little bit in here. And then maybe half a bag of this cheese here. Only half of this bag because we're going to sprinkle the rest on top as it goes in the oven. And just gently fold it without trying to make a huge mess. Alright, and now let's taste for seasoning and make sure it's good. Tastes pretty good, actually. And then we'll just put this in our pan. I'm using a non-stick pan to heat it up in the oven. You're going to throw it right in the oven at 350, and I'm going to say probably 20 minutes till it's bubbling. And when it comes out, we're going to serve it with some tortillas. And that remaining cheese, sprinkle that right on top. Right on top. Look at that. So unhealthy, but good for you. Throw it right in the oven. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at that. It created a hard crust because of the cheese, but it looks good and it's hot. Do you approve? Do you approve? Is it yummy?